Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. You can call me new if you didn't already know. I have been putting this video off for the longest. I really don't like to keep saying, oh, life be life, and it really does. But one of my favorite YouTubers, I follow her on Instagram, and she was saying like, this is the season of like no more excuses. You're tired, doesn't matter. You're working, doesn't matter. Basically, just if this is what you want to do, you got to make it work. Just like anything else that you want to happen, you make it work, even with obstacles in front of you. So try not to have any excuses, but here we are, late and wrong. I am going to be cleaning and decluttering out my kitchen underneath. So all of the lower cabinets that I didn't get to in the previous video, clearing it out, trying to declutter it. If I can get rid of some things, because for one, I need to put on my big girl panties and buy a actual cookware set. I am rocking with one pan, no actual lid for it. It's time that I invest in an actual set. They're really pricey, and I want to get something that's gonna last. I don't want to say I don't care about the price, but I'm putting that aside for now because I want something that is of quality and not just grabbing one pan here, one pan. I want a set that's going to last and that's actually going to be healthy to cook on. So that's that. So I kind of want to clear some space to get ready for that. Then we go in the fridge and kind of organizing that because that's a little bit of a hot mess too. So, but yeah, so I'm not sure how I'm going to do this voiceover style or if I'm going to be chiming in. I kind of just want it to be vibey. Just watch me and I'll pop some messages up on the screen, of course. But other than that, yeah, I think it's just going to be just watch and listen every now and then, or pretty much reading. But because I gotta hurry up. And if I keep stopping, I ain't never going to get done. So let's go.
Often when I have no friends and you're condescend, but I really won't risk it. Even though, bro, I can let you go, but I really won't show that you really got test me. Even on the day when they try to arrest me, but you live a lie, there's no way you can get me. Piss them up, they lock me up and it's sadly. Then they shock them when they see me and they tell me, you know, I'm a vibe and I run it as usual. I the only come around is to make it, and I can say things but I break it. You make me bug. Who knew? I won't care for the things that you do. I could turn, let everyone try me, cause you're never gonna care what's from me. Yeah.
Lead with your heart, forget your mind, follow the sun. We on a higher heights. You're so in tune with your emotions. Feel every feeling, baby, go ahead, let it soak in. And every time I click on top, it's like an ocean. I'd rather wait for serpentine until it rolling. Yeah, rolling. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Anytime that you want it, come and meet me in the moment. Anytime that you want it, we can ride into the sunset. Oh, high. We can ride, oh, high. We can ride,
yeah, and now I'm gonna start working on some of the cabinets. I just finished the refrigerator. Over here, I'm gonna start from the bottom and work my way up to the junk drawer. And yeah, down there is like a bunch of cups that I use, don't use. Definitely need to get rid of some of them. This thing costs so much money at Disney. I wanted to use it. Look at all the space I got now for new cookware. I'm probably gonna get rid of this too. Yay! Oh, perfect. Exactly what I wanted to do.
Even when I'm sitting here alone all by myself, it's even when I think you might be with somebody. This shit,
Alright, so just by my hair alone, clearly it's days later, weeks later. Life. Anyways, now I'm on the other side where like the island, peninsula, whatever, is at, and I'm gonna go underneath and organize and clean and all that stuff. Most of it I moved, like, okay, so you'll see it, but like behind where I have like my air fryer and my toaster and stuff was all these extra cups. Some of them I moved, some of them I got rid of because I don't need them. And again, I'm just trying to make space for cookware and maybe even some other appliances. So yeah, let's just get down in here, get this done. I like the order which I have this, so I'm not really gonna mess with it too much. I'm not gonna switch it around, but I do want to get rid of a lot of these. I think I said in a video a long time ago, like these, it's kind of hard to part with because I got these in college. My mom gave this to me. It was like a whole set. It was hanging. It was really cute, but they're just so tacky. A lot of them, the thing has fallen off. I don't have the stand, obviously. I only have one of these. That's kind of a problem too. I don't know if I would necessarily get rid of this one because where's all my spoons? I think they're literally being thrown out because where are they? But let me take it out, vacuum, and then declutter. How cute is this? Now mind you, it's missing the top, but it's a wine bottle stopper, but the little fake ice is what got me. I can't. What is this? Why do I have these? Why do I have these? Because I know I would not use this. This is what I'm talking about.
When you pull up with a and it's
It's time. I'm gonna call and ask my mom to see if she really wants it. Okay, so I kind of want to put like everything that I don't really use like that in the back ski. Like the mixer, I couldn't even tell you the last time I had this. Once again, my mother gave it to me, so it's not something I really want to get rid of. I might just give it back to her if she would like. And probably this crock pot or whatever. I rarely use this. If I do use it, it's definitely not gonna be in the summer at all, I don't think. But I mean, it's not like it's inaccessible. I can still get to it, but it's gonna be kind of out of sight, out of mind. But I don't really use the stuff like that, so that's where they're going. And this can opener, I bought this specifically for something that I had, but hardly ever, damn near never, unless it's soups that have like the pop tops. I don't get stuff with cans that need a can opener because it just freaks me out. I feel like there's metal shards getting into it because I've seen it before. So I keep this just in case I need it for something, but it does not get used. So you can, whoop, back there. You're next. Thank you, mommy, but I don't be baking like that. Not something where I need a, oh, do I need to lift this up 1, 2? I might have to move this. That's the only thing I don't like about stainless steel. You have to constantly wipe this stuff down. Otherwise, it just looks so messy. The only thing that's really going to be down here, the things that I don't use, are a big ass air fryer. And I got plenty of space for everything. Anything else? Yay. Let's go. Okay, now in here, basically, it's like, I don't know how I would describe this, but I just call these like the extra appliances. That don't even make no sense, but I know in my head what I mean when I know what's in here. I would love for this to be condensed more, but it just can't be. There's literally not much I can do in here. I'm gonna take it out, I guess, and vacuum it, but I can't. This down here is only occupied by my indoor-outdoor grill, the stand that it has for outside, and the cover, which is so big. Like, I'm not gonna take this out because maybe I'll vacuum right here, but like this thing is so big. Huge, okay? And the grill itself is that big, so yeah. And then this is this. My waffle maker, love it. Griddle, freaking love it. And then I have this like sternal thingy to keep food hot that I don't really use like that, but I'm not gonna get rid of it. And I could probably put this over by the coffee. And my giant cookie shovel that doesn't fit up here, so I just keep it down here. And then we're pretty much done. I think I want to do under the sink, but
Psych!
yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I'm done organizing. I went like this because some of it I was like, you know, let me just straighten it out a little bit. I mean, and that's organizing, right? So the job is done. I cleaned out what I wanted to. I've gotten rid of what I wanted to, which was definitely priority because, like I said, I definitely want to invest in better cookware. But before I do that, I have to have the space for it, and I did not, but now I do. So I'm really excited. I have no idea what to get. I've been thinking about getting, I think it's called like Hex Clad. But then I was doing some research and people were like, if you're gonna do it, do All Clad. I don't know if that's the brand, the type. I'm new to this stuff, so I don't really know. But either way, I have space for it. And I don't even need a whole bunch. I know I want like a deeper, like a saucer, a bigger frying pan, and another pot possibly. Yeah, definitely another pot, and I need lids for everything. So I don't know if they'll have a set that has everything I want, or do I have to buy everything individually. Either way, I know it's gonna be a pretty penny, so I might have to wait till like Black Friday or something, or some type of holiday that's gonna have good deals. But I have the space for it, and that's all that matters to me right now. Other than that, everything is clean and organized. If I didn't show it before, I'm probably gonna show it after, some b-roll of everything. So yeah, I want to just thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's been a little minute. Again, life, all right? I'm trying to not make excuses, but sometimes it really is just, yeah. But I'm here. The video is here, it's completed, it's done. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please let me know by leaving a like with your thumbs. Leave me a comment down below and consider subscribing to the channel. I don't know if it'll be the next video, but definitely one of the next videos is another episode of the My First Time series. If you haven't watched that, I'll probably leave it somewhere here, there, wherever. And at the end of this video, I'll leave the other episodes of the My First Time series. And yeah, that's it. Have a great night, day, week, weekend, whenever you are watching this, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Can't get enough of you. Baby, it's something that you do.